You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Gold slipped from a record high after the Federal Reserve cut rates and the dollar bounced back. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged signs of weakness in the U.S. labor market, but was less dovish than expected. His comments sent the dollar higher, pushing spot gold down 0.8% to $3,660 an ounce in New York. Gold had earlier touched a record of $3,707 an ounce after the rate cut was announced. Now, analysts say profit-taking and spillover from other markets drove the pullback, though gold's strong momentum still suggests further volatility ahead. Ivanhoe Mines has secured a $500 million investment from Qatar's Foreign Wealth Fund. The deal gives the Qatar Investment Authority a 4% stake in the Canadian copper miner through a private placement. Ivanhoe will issue 57.5 million shares at 12 Canadian dollars each, slightly below the current Toronto trading price. Executive co-chair Robert Friedland called the investment a strong endorsement of Ivanhoe's role in supplying metals critical to electrification and advanced technology. Now, Ivanhoe operates key projects in the Democratic Republic of Congo and South Africa. BHP Bulletin and the Lundin Mining Group are investing more than $400 million in Argentina's Sunyon province. Their joint venture, Vicuna Corp, controls the Filo del Sol and the Jose Maria copper deposits near the Chilean border. Jose Maria mine is targeting production by 2030. It has a 25-year lifespan and ore processing capacity at 175,000 tons a day. The company is seeking tax and customs benefits under Argentina's RIGI program to stay competitive with other Latin American producers. Mining veteran Ron Hochstein has been named CEO to steer the next phase as Argentina eyes a return to copper output after a 7-year gap. Anglo American and Codelco have struck a landmark $5 billion partnership in Chile. The deal merges Anglo's Los Bronces with Codelco's Andina mine, creating a new copper district outside Santiago. Once permits are secured, likely by 2030, it is expected to deliver 2.7 million tons of copper over 21 years. A new joint company will run the assets, while each partner retains ownership of its mines. Chile's Mining Association welcomed the move, saying it could streamline permits and boost long-term outputs. The United States and the Ukraine are joining forces to launch a $150 million minerals investment fund. Each country will contribute $75 million to back projects in energy infrastructure and critical minerals. Prime Minister Yulia Sviridenko said the fund will help Ukraine's construction while strengthening U.S. supply chains. The deal signed in April gives the U.S. preferential access to Ukrainian minerals projects in exchange for investment. And that's where we leave your news headlines on mining.com.